Hey everyone, welcome to another video and thank you for tuning in. So the latest is that insurance will cover the damages and we're moving forward. So that is a big relief. We're on the right path. The parts have been ordered. And so again, we're just gonna move forward, get this thing repaired, get the Model Y repaired and get it back on the road. Where the holdup is, apparently there's a back order on a lot of the Tesla parts. I believe we're waiting on the hood and some, primarily the hood, but I think there's a couple other pieces that they're waiting on too. According to the body shop, they said that once they get the parts, they should be done a maximum of 2 days. So it's there's not really a lot of time for them. They've got everything else organized and ready to go. So this is exciting. I can't wait for the parts to get in now and just get this all over with. But we are moving forward. Also, on the back half of this video, if you're interested in a desktop supercharger, I have a video on how to basically put it together and what it's like. I'm a little disappointed, I'll say that, so spoiler alert, but this is $35 on their website. So, but if you want to see how this all goes together, take a look at the back half of the video. Again, we are moving forward. It's so exciting. I'm so glad things are going to get taken care of. We're going to get the car back hopefully about a week and a half. Again, once the parts gets there. The body shop saying that they only need it for maximum 2 days. So I hope that's the case. But again, that's where we're in the holding pattern. So Tesla, please ship those parts now, yesterday, please. I just want the car back. So, but at any rate, it's all good news. So we'll see how it goes. And again, maybe not such good news. Anyway, moving on. All right. This is Tesla's desktop supercharger. Comes in this little black box here. Let's open it up and take a look. It's a nice little box. There you go. All right. Ta-da! That's kind of cool. Oh, okay. It is very plasticky. It's straight up very lightweight plastic material. I guess it's got a sticky pad on the bottom here. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. That would be a no. So this does not come with a USB cable of any sort. So you just get this. Again, I'm just surprised how light it is. It's straight up just plastic. And okay, I'm trying to look underneath here. There's like a little port or something. Kind of figure it out where this all goes together. From what I understand, you're supposed to pop this bottom off. But I'm a little afraid of breaking it. I'm giving it some effort here and she's not wanting to come off, so I'm not sure. Oh, maybe you got to push it from the bottom. You just keep pushing it up. There we go. So that's the trick. You just kind of push along here and hold this and it'll just pop right off. Okay, well, still not coming apart. Okay, now again, it's so light and thin plastic that I'm worried about cracking or breaking it as I'm dismantling it. Now, this was $35 on their website. And it seems to go in and out of stock. It seems like as soon as they get some in, within a day, it goes right out of stock. So, I don't know. I thought it'd be cool to have, but I'm not sure if it's worth $35 at this point, the way it's built. But if I break it here in a second, which has been my luck here lately, I've been breaking everything. So let me see. Let me get a tool. All right, I got my little pick tool here. Maybe this will help me out. If you guys don't remember this, I lost this in the wheel well when I was doing the frunk opener. So, all right, just kind of see if I can maybe manipulate this somehow. All right. I think you pop that up. Okay, there we go. It just pops right out. You'll see the little tabs up top. There's 3 little tabs in there at the very top. So these, it just kind of slots into them. So I'm guessing it's going to go back the same way when you put it back together. So, all right. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I guess these pop off. And they only go on one way, I think, because there's little tabs on the bottom of it as well. Yeah, this doesn't have a tab up top, but this one has a little notch at the very bottom there. I don't know if you can see that. The camera's picking it up. But and then there's little tabs here where they fit in. Okay, so that's how that goes. And now we'll go grab a cable. I just bought a cable from Amazon, and I actually got a black one to try to replicate a regular charger as close as we can get to it. All right. Okay, let's see what is happening right now. Oh, yeah, okay. I guess you can just let it all fall apart as well. So I guess the idea is you're going to take this cord, kind of run it through here, but have it long enough to where it kind of goes back into the spot and it kind of plugs in like a regular one, something like that. So let me go ahead and adjust it to the length that we need. This might do it. And then it'll stay in there. Kind of like that. And I guess the best way to do the rest of it is going to be to wrap it around and bring it down through here. So you're going to have to remove this portion, kind of guide it through. This is not as simple as I thought it'd be. So be aware, there's going to have to be a little bit of a project here. I guess you want to keep that there. Bring this around. Put that back in. So it's going to probably sit like that. Somehow. All right, let's see if we can fit this back on without manipulating too much more. All right, now this cable's a little thick, so I think it's keeping it from wanting to snap in as easily if you had a thinner cable. But it looks like that does it. Back together, and then we'll put the bottom on now. I guess you're going to have to slide all of the length through. All right. And we'll snap this back into place. And you want this little notch on the back side so that I guess when you stand it up, it'll actually fit in there. So when you stand it, it won't be lopsided. All right, well, again, it fought me coming out, I guess it's gonna fight me going on. Just snaps right back on. I think that's it. And I believe that is it. So that is what you have. And then you can, there's a little notch in there. I guess it'll hold. So that is what it looks like when it's absolutely completed. I don't know if this is worth $35. I mean, it's kind of cool, but it is cheaply made. So, but if you are a Tesla fan person and you have to have it on your desk, I guess, yeah, it's kind of cute, but otherwise, yeah. And again, there's an adhesive on the bottom so that it'll stick. I wish it would have made the base a little wider so that when you manipulate the cord, it wouldn't pull it forward. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. So there you go. So at the end of the day, is it worth it? Me personally, I wouldn't buy another one, and I wouldn't recommend somebody get it. But if you have to have the Tesla trinkets, yeah, it's available. So, all right. Well, that's kind of crazy. It is not easy to get a part originally. So if you're going to get one of these, know that you're going to have to be careful when you're taking off this base. And again, these have been around for about, I don't know, 3-4 years maybe. So it's just, like I said, it keeps popping in and off of their websites as being available. So, but at any rate, I thought it was kind of cool just to see what it would be like, and now we have it. So, but there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, go to your car meets, enjoy what you have, and have fun with your mods. Take care. We'll see you guys on the next one.